on our way to the beach. Yay! So we are here in the visitor center in Mississippi. And that is right there. Look at how nice it is. Look at the intricate work. And this is Governor Tate Reeves. So was this building used for anything else? Oh. Oh, okay. I was wondering, I'm like, it's giving like a house feel.
Yes, ma'am. Where are y'all visiting from?
Huh? Oh, we're from Louisiana right now. So the visitor center that we just came from, like, I don't know if you heard, it's modeled after old plantation homes, and that's why I'm like, it looks like a house. And the staircase that I showed, very open southern plantation style staircase, which are gorgeous. And it was built in 1997 and everything. And right now we're at the vending machines. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to Long Beach, which is in Mississippi. So we're back in the car, and we were just gonna go the regular way we go. Normally we don't stop at the state visitor center, but we did this time. I wanted to show you guys, and we're gonna go the scenic route and enjoy the day. Look at how nice it is. There's clouds in the skies, all the trees. So far so good on traffic. Right. All right, so right now we're about to cross Bay St. Louis. Can I see anything out there? Can y'all see anything? There we go. It's just the water. All right, we're done at the beach, and now time to say goodbye and head on home. Y'all, I'm almost home, but I'm being so bad. Hey guys, good morning. It's like 6 a.m. and I'm starting off the week with a bike ride. I'll see you guys later.